Okay, what is going on, you guys? And in today's video we're going to be going over how you can easily install NVIDIA drivers, and this is specifically NVIDIA, not AMD, because I have not got an AMD graphics card, so I'm not going to be able to show you that. But this is what a lot of people don't do for NVIDIA, and it's pretty simple, so I'm just going to get to the point and jump into it. So use literally any browser, doesn't matter, and go to Google and type in NVIDIA GeForce Experience. So once you've done that, you want to go and click on the first link, which is this one. Then you want to download GeForce Experience. I've already got it, so I'm not going to download it, and I'm sure you already know how to do the whole installation process. But once that's done, you will be able to access NVIDIA GeForce. So we're just going to open up the control panel and type in GeForce Experience. And once we have opened this, once it boots up, depending on your graphics card, depends how long it usually takes. But what this will automatically do is to give you drivers that are available to you. So for me, I currently have driver 512.15 available, and the installation process is very simple. You just click on download, and the thing is, with NVIDIA, it always notifies you when you need a driver update, and it will also give you the latest update the day that it is released. So just to walk you through, if you don't already know how to install the driver, you just simply click on download, and after you click on download, let that run, and I will come back once it's done. So after you've done installing the package, then it's going to be saying preparing package. Now just let that also run through as well. And after you've done, you can either go express install, which I highly recommend because it's so much easier, or you can do custom installation. I've not gone into custom installation, but if you do click on it, it will prompt up with something saying, oh, do you want to do a custom installation? And you just say yes. So we're going to be kind of testing it out because this is my first time doing a custom installation, but there are going to be features that gives you options. So by default, it's always going to be graphics driver, and you can either choose to update the PhysX system software or the HD audio drivers. And both of these I use, so I'm just going to say install, but if you don't want a particular one of these for whatever reason, then you just say cancel and do express installation, or you can just make sure they're checked and click on install. Once you're done, things are going to flash, things are going to pop up, but that's okay, don't freak out. And it's uninstalling the current graphics driver, but you will be refreshed with the brand new driver. So I'm going to let this run. It'll probably take about 3 to 4 minutes, then I'll come back. Okay, so due to me actually installing the new drivers, my OBS didn't like me, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna crash. And I'm like, oh cool, that's okay, that's no problem. But pretty much after you install the drivers, it's gonna prompt you and it's gonna say, yo dude, it's a-okay. And to reconfirm this, you can actually look at GeForce Game Ready driver version 512.15, release date 3rd of 22nd 2022, which is some time ago. That's last month, earlier last month. But I've not updated my drivers in ages, so remember to update your drivers. It's super important. But other than that, I'll leave a link to this stuff in the description. And other than that, remember, if you've not liked the video already, go do so, as well as subscribe to the channel. So that'd be cool, because trying to destroy the YouTube algorithm. But other than that, click on the screen for another video. Whoop, and bye. This is BlazeTech. I'm out.